Hi, second graders. Today we are working on Skills Unit 5, lesson number 26. We are almost at the end of our Skills unit, so that means that we are going to be completing some assessments at the end of this unit over the next few days so that you can show us what you've learned so far. Today's main learning target is going to be the Comprehension Assessment. Your video is going to be really short the next couple days. What I would like to do is just go through the Google form briefly in the video so you know what to expect. So the grammar assessment is going to be part of tomorrow's lesson. Taking a peek over at Unit 5, Lesson 26, this is our Reading Comprehension Assessment. The directions say, read marching orders and answer the questions about the story. Remember to go back into the story to help you with questions. You're going to read through from page 136 to 141, the story called Marching Orders. After that, you're going to answer the comprehension questions at the bottom. The first several questions are multiple choice. I would like you to look back in the story to find the answer. The last question on this Google form says, number the sentences from the story in the correct order. You have 4 sentences along the side. What you need to do is read each sentence and ask yourself, what happened first in the story? And you'll select the number 1 next to that event. What happened second in the story? And you'll select the 2 next to that event. Then what happened third in the story? And finally, what happened last in the story? The most helpful thing that you can do for question number 8 today is going to be to look back in the text to see what happened first, second, third, and fourth. That's all you have to do on today's Google form, and we'll be taking a look at it to give you a score based on your reading comprehension. Take your time, good luck, and ask if you have any questions.